Welcome to another episode of Design Stories, where we dig deep into the fascinating world of digital design and innovation. Today, we're exploring a unique typeface that brings data visualization right into our text. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about Sparks, a groundbreaking font that lets you create sparklines, tiny visual representations of data, right within your documents. Let's start with the basics. So what exactly are sparklines? Imagine you're looking at a spreadsheet filled with numbers. Now, instead of just seeing those rows and columns of data, what if you could glance at a tiny chart for each value? That's the magic of sparklines. They condense complex data into easy-to-read visuals, helping you make sense of trends at a glance. Now, how does Sparks work its wonder? Well, it cleverly uses the OpenType's contextual alternates feature, allowing it to replace specific strings of numbers with graphical representations like bars, dots, or even dot lines that create a mini line chart. Picture this. You have a long string of numbers, say 1, 2, 3, 30, 60, 90, 456. Sparks transforms this into a visual sparkline framed beautifully by the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 456. Pretty cool, right? But there's more to it. This typeface is compatible with popular applications and browsers, including Microsoft Word, Adobe Creative Cloud, and even web browsers like Chrome and Firefox. All you need is to enable some simple settings for it to work seamlessly. For instance, in Microsoft Word, just head to the Format menu and enable the contextual alternates feature. Simple, isn't it? Let's break down the variations available in Sparks. There are three main types: bars, dots, and dot lines. Each can represent data in 5 varying weights, making it visually appealing and versatile. But you do need to ensure your data fits the scale of 0 to 100. If your data points hail from a smaller range, you may have to translate them accordingly. Here's an interesting tidbit for our listeners. Creating a dot line sparkline is a bit more complex. It involves some clever coding behind the scenes due to the limitations of OpenType's lookup tables. The developers had to creatively manage the number of glyph substitutions to ensure everything fits within the constraints. Yet, they made it all work. And you know what I find really exciting about Sparks is the accessibility it brings to data visualization. It's not just for graphic designers or data analysts. It's a tool that any kind of user can adopt and utilize, whether for business presentations or just to organize information in a visually engaging way. As we wrap up today's episode, think about how this tiny font can change the way you present and perceive data. Whether you're crafting a report, enhancing your resume, or simply making your notes visually stimulating, Sparks provides an innovative solution. So here's a thought for you. How might sparklines change your approach to analyzing or presenting data? We'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for joining me today on Design Stories. We hope you found this exploration of Sparks as intriguing as I did. Until next time, keep creating and keep questioning the design tools around you.